Yes, my peoples, good morning. It's carpet cleaning training with Dreddy again, back with you with another video. It's Monday, man. Yeah. So what we're doing, we're getting a windshield replaced. It's the other van we got. So we gotta tighten up that baby. Coming up right in a minute. Check it out. Got a new screen. You know, them things get cracked real easy, man. You're on the floor of the roads, them stones. So that's what we're doing right now. Getting her in. Seem like they can't even keep up with the demand of replacing all these windscreens, man.
We got a lot of them.
It's a lot.
Like everybody else, short-staffed.
Right. Wow. It's a nice little skill, though, man.
It is. Because I've been doing it 26 years.
Oh, really? Whoa. That's what's up. Consistency, man.
I like the fact that I'm not stuck in any one place for long.